In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Coursera Plus trial. Before we begin, it's important to note that if you complete a course during your 7-day free trial, you won't receive a certificate unless you subscribe to Coursera Plus for at least 1 month. To cancel your trial, go to the Coursera homepage and log in to your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Purchases. On the My Purchases page, you'll see details about your Coursera Plus trial, including the date your trial ends. If the trial period has already passed, you can no longer cancel it, and you'll be charged for at least 1 month of Coursera Plus. If the trial is still active, you'll see a Cancel Subscription option. Click on Cancel Subscription, and Coursera will remind you that cancelling will result in losing access to your graded assignments and certificates. However, your course progress will be saved, so you can re-enroll later if you choose. If you're sure about cancelling, click on Yes, Cancel Subscription. Coursera may offer you a 50% discount on your next bill as an incentive to stay. If you want to proceed with cancelling, click on Skip Offer. Finally, you'll see a confirmation message that your subscription has been cancelled. Coursera will also ask if you'd like to take a quick survey about your experience. You can choose to complete the survey or skip it, and that's it. Your Coursera trial has been successfully cancelled.